Here we go. This is August 1st, 2024. We're going to New York, a skydive the ranch. And this is loud and noisy. And the reason I'm doing this test because I'm testing out the DJI Microphone 2 as a standalone recorder in 32-bit full audio. And I'm recording myself with the Insta360 X2. We're on jump run. We're getting very close to exit. We'll see how this thing's going to work. Rock and roll. Alright, we are on jump run. And I'm testing this thing. It's a freaking hot day. The wind is hitting a helmet. Let's see how this microphone is holding up in the conditions like this. There's the wrench, right there. That's where we're going. We are at 4,500 feet. I'm going to exit somewhere 5,000 and 5,500 feet. I'm going to have 5 to 10 seconds of free fall. And let's see how this thing, how much I can talk during that free fall time period. We're almost there. It's 5,000 feet. We're almost there. I'm gonna exit in a second. Alright, here we go. Exit, exit, exit. Rock and roll. Yeah, baby. There goes the airplane. I'm in free fall at 5,000 feet. 4,500 feet. And deploy the parachute. Yeah. And the parachute swivels, opens. Great. The parachute opened. So much fun. I'm at 3,500 feet. Looks like this whole thing functioned. We'll see, or we'll hear how the audio was. Rock and roll. And we make a big turn. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! That's what we're talking about. And that's what we're talking about. I'm almost getting dizzy here a little bit. We're just about getting close for a landing. It's just about 1,300 feet. I start set up for a landing. And I'm just going to make a turn. Yeah, baby. Yeah. And here we go. Run, people, run. And I made it.